Possibly. I don't know. Like he said, a couple beds and some dressers and drawers. So I mean, that would probably take me like 4 hours. It's gonna be two people, so I don't. Hopefully, it won't take longer than 2 hours. Yeah, I was trying to go to the gym too, but I don't know if that's happening or not.
Well, let me know because I'm not. Joel's going to a cannabis event tonight, so if after you get out of the gym or something, let me know.
Okay. What's she doing?
I don't know. I just asked her what the event was called. She said that this morning that one of her friends didn't want to go to a cannabis event alone because I guess some representatives from Cali are coming out here, and so Joel's just going to go with her. And I told her that she better wear her trap mask.
Yeah, or else.
You better tell everybody.
You better wear your fucking trap mask, you damn billboard.
Which is funny because I probably know half the people there, but it's whatever.
So funny. Okay. Light up my last Terp stick today.
What is true car? What the fuck is that?
It's the opposite of false car.
It's a penny stock right now, and it's on the rise. Is an automotive pricing and information website for new and used car buyers.
Oh.
Kind of like that.
Well, we don't have any of those available yet, so I'm kidding. All right, song time? Song time.
Song time. Whew.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks.
Good morning, you beautiful people. Welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
And we're here to bridge gaps.
And talk stocks.
Wow, shit, I fucking love that.
That's crazy.
Huge shout out to Mad Terp Labs. Thank you for being our cannabis sponsor. You can find them at Green Farms in Mesa and Flagstaff. These are solventless pre-rolls. Go get you some. Who else we got, Brian?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them so much. They're great. It's an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. It sends very clear buy and short signals. It gives you confidence to make good and less garbagey trades. Is it going to turn you into an amazing trader? No. Only time and diamond hands will do that. But Cheat Code Algo will be there to help. Cheat Code Algo. Check out our description in the bio. Give us some fucking money!
Money! So we got some cool news for you guys today.
Ooh, do we?
So I just want to go off what I sent you a screenshot yesterday. So Matt from Dance Gavin Dance said that he's down to make some stoner videos with us, bro.
How fun.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
That's fucking awesome. He's like, oh yeah, all I do is smoke weed and tell jokes all day. I'm like, bro, that's fucking perfect. I know, bro. Would you ever want to go out to his house and go film with him?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna ask him tonight where he wants to film because I don't think they're coming to Arizona anytime soon. So
yeah, I gotta go. I'm going to California a lot this year. Once April hits, I'll be in California a lot.
April what?
I'll actually tell you exactly what. It's the week after Craig's wedding.
26.
Yeah, 27. I'll be in California April 22 to 26.
Okay.
And then that's just for my friend's birthday, but she can I say this? Yeah, sure. She bought a comedy club. So
that's dope.
Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. So yeah, I'll be going out there to both work on the comedy club and then work at the comedy club once it's open. So
oh no shit! What are we gonna be doing over there? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna help. Help build the place.
Oh, build it, not like signing like artists.
No. I mean, I'll probably. I think like Hillary's talked to me about it a bunch. She wants me to be like one of the regulars over there, probably one of the house MCs. Cool. So that's cool, you know. But we have people. I don't know that I can share who we have working for us. I say we like it's my comedy club. It's not, but
Don't say.
yeah, we just have one of the bigger bookers in the comedy club, at least in Phoenix. He now works for us, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I mean the club's gonna be fucking great, without a doubt.
Yeah.
She told us we can do Trap Stocks live there too.
Yeah, which is going to happen one day.
Oh yeah,
it
for
will
sure.
happen.
Yeah, we'll do a live, and it's her club, so we can smoke weed in it.
Oh,
I believe.
bro, can you actually find that out for sure, and then we can actually start planning that?
Sure.
That'd be fucking awesome.
Yeah, I mean the club's not gonna be open until September.
Yeah. It would just be great to know, because that we could possibly do like what is it, San Diego?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's like a San Diego concentrated comedy or something stupid like that.
No, she wants to. We've already talked about it.
Oh, that's fucking amazing.
Yeah.
Because I did speak with the owners yesterday, and I was like, when am I going to be starting planning my next event? When should I start CannaFest again? Because everyone wants to say Halloween. I'm like, that gives us like 7 months to prepare. And I think that's a good amount. But she also said she probably wanted to do something during the summer, and this won't be effective in San Diego. I was like, yeah, we can just possibly throw like another concentrated comedy outside somewhere, you know? So I think that's going to be the next thing to look for, which is pumped.
You know, and I'm definitely speaking out of turn here, but so when the club that she bought was an existing comedy club, and we put a festival on there 2 years ago now, and they wanted to have like an event in the parking lot during the day while the festival was going on at night. So
Yep.
I mean, there's a possibility that you know, maybe if you talk to her about it, I don't know if you're interested, but you might be able to put on an actual cannabis event in California too.
Yeah, dude, I would fucking love to.
Something like, you know, something more like, what was it? Cannabash? What was that?
Hash Bash.
Hash Bash, yeah.
Yep.
Like that.
So we have Hash Bash, we have CannaFest, and then we got the concentrated comedy.
Canafest. Canafest was the one that was outside, right? In the
in the church parking lot.
Yeah, maybe you could do something like that.
Yeah, dude, I'm all for that. Super easy, and it won't cost us that much money either.
No.
All right, so what else do I got for news? I know you made fun of me this morning. The guy that created tofu and turned it into ice cream died this morning.
Good riddance.
Yep, there's that, and then possibly the House passes the COVID bill again, so everybody, not everybody, below 75,000 will get you $1,400 checks, and hopefully boost up the fucking market.
Bro, I make significantly under 75,000, and I have not seen my stimulus check from last time. Which I guess I'm getting tax credit is, you know, the thing, but it's like, yo, how much tax credit are you gonna give me? I already gave you a shit ton of taxes when I was getting unemployment taken out. I went max on that, bro. I went max on that. They were giving me so much money a week, and I was like, I think they were taking like $180 out a paycheck or some shit. Yeah, I was paying a lot of taxes, which is because I was like, I need to cover. I don't want to pay any taxes this year. Your boy needs to cover.
Yeah, I didn't do that. I took the other route.
Yeah, no, you shouldn't have taken it on. Now you got to pay taxes on it, right?
Yeah, I got. Yeah.
You didn't get the taxes taken out of it at all?
No. What?
Wow, you make remarkably bad decisions. Like,
oh yeah, that's the story of my life.
Oh,
yeah, but I write everything off, and then like the stimmies. So
you're not going to be able to write that off, bro. That is government money. Hopefully the stimmy covers it. That would be ideal. But
yeah, that would be fucking great. Because last year I only paid $900 in taxes, and I made I don't know 60 or something stupid like that.
Dude, I was talking to roommate Bill because you know we both did TaskRabbit, and he was like, I just did my taxes and I owe like $4,500, and I was like, what? And then he told me how much he made, which was about $2,000 more than me. And I was like, there's no way you fucked up. Like, you need somebody to do your taxes because there's no fucking way you're making. It was like $25,000. You know what I mean? I don't want to throw him under the bus. But you know, we work like we're, you know, gig workers. But so yeah, he's like, I gotta pay $4,500 on like $25,000. I'm like, you do not. You need to get better at math. And you like, bro, they're not taking fucking what 20% of your goddamn tax, your money when you're that's way too much. You
silly. Yeah, he fucked up because I don't want to go there. All right, so we're gonna switch to the stock news. I'm gonna start off with Zoom today. I don't know if you want to bring up Zoom real quick. So Eric Yan, Chief Executive Officer of Zoom Video Communications, donated more than a third of his stake in the company.
Donated.
Donated.
To what?
So Yuan gifted almost 18 million shares of the conference technology firm last week. The filings didn't specify the receipt of the stock, which owned by a grantor retained Unity Trust, or GRAT, which Yuan is a trustee. The shares were valued at about $6 billion.
So he gave $6 billion to his trust? Or his...
Yep.
Okay.
$6 billion. Good for you, bro. How much fucking money do you have?
Well, a lot, clearly.
Yep. Apparently.
Yeah. Well, when your stock goes from what, like $20 to $500?
Couple hundred, yeah.
Over the course of literally no time at all. Hang on. Gotta pull out this.
Yeah, how does it look?
Let's see. The year. April 20. Well, no, let's go even further. Like pre-COVID, January 28, $75.
That's so much. It's at 330.
Peaked.
It's at 330.
Peaked just shy of 600. It's been falling since it hit that high.
No way. That's wild.
Yeah.
600. That felt hard. Imagine buying shares in that. Oh.
I mean, who does who does that? That's so. Unless you're like,
that's wild.
Unless you have a really low average and you're like, okay, I'll average up or whatever. It doesn't really matter that much. But that's so high. Who's buying fucking $600 stock?
It blows my mind. I got a lot of EV news today.
Joyous day.
So the first one I'm going to bring up, Fisker. Ooh. Fisker stock jumps after passing 14,000 reservations for Ocean SUV electric. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. So Fisker said it expects to start production initially in Europe of its first Ocean SUV vehicle in the fourth quarter of 2022. So the end of next year, they're going to start production.
Nice. That's a long time.
That's just so far. Like, I would not, just by reading that, I can't invest into that. It's way too far out.
Yeah, there's so much that could happen.
There's so much happen because hopefully by the end of this month, remember when we used to talk about the Arrival Group?
No.
It was during the summertime. It was when they did the electric buses and vans.
Okay.
So electric bus and van maker Arrival, which the ticker is right now, the CIIC, is expected to go public before the end of quarter one. The combined entity will go by the ticker ARVL and will be trading on the NASDAQ. So this is the one I've been on since last summer. I've been slowly watching because there's no other EV buses or vans.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like trash right now.
Yeah, it looks like trash.
But yeah, there was a point in time where, it was trading at $33 for like a whole minute and a half, but still. Yeah, wait till that's done falling. It might be a pretty decent one.
Yeah, because if you think about it, it's in that $20 range where every other EV is. And look at CCIV. It's only $3 or $4 more than fucking CIIC. It's funny. This,
though, it looks like... So it's got like some support going on here at like 1875, mid-18s. If it breaks through that, it looks like it'll fill that gap right back down to 10.
I think so too.
If you pull back to, I think I'm on the day chart. I think it's a year. I'm on the year chart altogether. But like November 19th through 24th, it went on a massive run, and then
huge,
huge, from $10 to $24, and then it came, or $28 rather. Then it came down, went back up. But you see, it came down back down to like mid-18s, 1880 rather. That breaks 1880. It's gonna be a fucking scary. That's gonna be a nice little fall back down. People gonna be upset.
Yeah, there's nothing about it that tells me that we should get into it yet. So gotta wait. I need some green candles before I start investing into shit again.
Yeah.
So we got that one, and then we also have the RIOT, which is not publicly traded, but they came out with some good news last night and today. So yesterday they came out with some battery news, and then today they came out with pictures of their truck. So it's it's called the R1T and the R1S.
Okay.
So one's a truck, one's an SUV, and they can go up to 300 to 400 miles on their lithium-ion battery packs.
Nice.
And to charge from 5 to 80% takes less than an hour. And weren't you saying that like the goal is for like a half hour?
Yeah, I mean, like, that's basically... Wow, you are really laggy today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're frozen right now.
Oh, damn.
I can hear you, but I can't... Your face is just stuck, and it looks like somebody just whipped out a dick, and you're giving it a nice little kiss. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, I mean, you know, like, right now you can get your cell phone charged from like 1% to 80% in a half an hour. It exists. I mean, every iPhone, every phone, I think, has that. So the quick charge is desirable in all technology. And I've seen, I can't remember which company it was, but they were saying that you could get, it was an EV company, that they can get 80% in 30 minutes, which is very, very fast. You know, like I said, that's like,
That's fucking wild.
Stop and get lunch and then
wild.
drive another 400 miles, you know, until you have to get dinner. Crazy.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Also, in the notes that I forgot to say is that they're also launching a plant. So they have news on their battery, they got news on their trucks and SUVs, and they're launching a new plant in Illinois, which was the old Mitsubishi plant.
Okay.
It's not publicly traded, but keep an eye out.
How old are you? How old are you?
32.
32. Illinois.
32.
Illinois. Not Illinois.
Illinois. What did I say?
You said
Illinois.
Illinois.
Did I say Illinois?
You said Illinois.
Illinois.
I'm sorry. I can't let that one slide.
I get that mixed up. I'm sorry. Yeah. Sometimes I do. Yeah, I have some weird old patterns. I don't know why I say that, but I do.
Illinois. Your camera still is not moving.
Ah, damn, that sucks. That's weird. I usually restart everything, too. Hey, that's a good-looking face right there. Let me put the charger in.
Put the what?
All right, I just put the charger in. Am I still frozen?
Yeah.
Do I look good?
Like I said, you look like you're about
Do I look good or am I still frozen?
You're frozen. I just said that.
All right.
And you look like you're about to switch a penis.
Fuck, that sucks. I don't know what's wrong with my laptop. Switch a penis.
It's the...
All right, still frozen?
Laptop. Yeah.
That sucks. All right, should I just hold on 2 seconds? Boom. I just restarted it.
There you go. Wow. Took you a while to figure that one out.
Let's go.
Gotcha.
Whoa, buddy. We never had this issue before. So, all right, the last bit of information about cars, which I brought up right before we got into the show, which was TrueCar. So if you like to type in TRUE.
True. Wow.
So TrueCar Inc. is an automotive pricing and information website for new and used car buyers.
Sweet, yeah.
It's at $5, so still a penny stock.
Cool.
Yeah, well, is Kelly Blue Book publicly traded?
I wonder.
What?
Kelly, probably not. Nah, I don't think
so.
I
bet it is. I bet it's like KBB, Kelly Blue Book.
I tried
stock.
KBB. I tried that. I don't know.
No.
Can't find it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's super interesting.
This company will probably do fine. I mean, it's like, sounds like you're selling something that exists already, but whatever.
Yeah. It's a stock to keep an eye out on. $5.13. Is Carvana publicly traded? I feel like they would be.
Yeah. CVNA. And they're doing all right.
260.
Wow.
Oof. Wow, but they did have a huge fall though. Look at that, from 320 something all the way down to 240 early in the month. Ooh, last week. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
They fell hard.
Yeah, but I mean, they fell hard from all-time high, and they're still. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah.
They're doing all right.
And the stock does say it's going to go back up.
There's a Carvana like 10 minutes from me. It's pretty dope to see. You know, it's just a gigantic car vending machine.
Yeah, a tower of car fucking... That's so goofy. I would never buy one of those either. You can't negotiate the price. Who buys vehicles without negotiating the price?
Normal humans. No, who wants to negotiate the price? Why can't you just tell me what this car's worth? Why do I got to deal with some fucking sleazebag that looks like you, who's also wearing no sleeves for some reason and always selling me shit? It's like, bro, just tell me how much the manufacturer wants for this car. Like, I don't go to... This isn't fucking India. You know what I mean? Like, I don't go to Best Buy and they're like, this TV's, list price is $2,800. And you're just like, give you 14 for it. Like, nobody does that. That's not a thing. Why is that still a thing with fucking cars?
Oh, dude.
That's stupid.
Oh, dude, I do that. Nope, because I go to LA all the time to buy clothes for the company, and I have to hassle with everybody by the dozen. I'm like, all right, I'll give you $2 per dozen, and then you negotiate the price.
Haggle, but yeah.
Brian, you have to negotiate. Yeah, never pay full price for anything, Brian. You know this.
Look, here's all I'm saying is that they negotiate elsewhere in other countries. I'm not knocking it. You know what I mean? If I go to China where you're getting your clothes, even though it's in LA, like, I get it, all right? Like, they negotiate there. They see me, they think I have a lot of money, but clearly not. I've only been wearing clothes that other people have bought me since I was 17. But, like, you go, it's just like, oh, it's $2 a dozen. You go, no, $1.60. Like, you work it down. I get it, all right? This is fucking America, okay? I want to go, if I go to buy a car, I don't want this guy to be like, what do you think this car is worth? I don't know. But you know who does? Volkswagen. And they should have told you that information, and then you could pass it along to me, and then I will give you credit, because I don't actually have money. That's how it should work.
I don't know. I don't like to pay full price for anything.
Yeah. It's so funny. Fucking Twan Murder, shout out Twan Murder, is in the comments just like shouting out my corrections of Dave's shit speech.
You know what? I'm super high. Leave me fucking alone.
All right.
What else? All right. From there, we'll go back into the customized clothes fitting. We talked about Stitch Fix yesterday.
Yep.
Bro, Stitch Fix took a shit.
What was it again?
Took a fucking hit. Tore it down.
Right? S-Fix.
Yeah, S-Fix.
Sure did.
Yeah, dude, it dropped 25%. Yes, it did. And we were wondering, like, who buys this? Never invest into retail right before fucking earnings.
Bro, it literally went...
It fell hard.
That's just straight down.
Oh
my.
Yeah, 113 to 48.
Oh, God.
Fuck.
Dude, what is going on with the graph, though? Like, do you remember when it used to just, like, work?
Yeah, when it was super simple.
What the fuck happened?
This is what we get for having a tech guy. We got a tech guy, made it all fancy. Now it's out of our league.
Yeah.
Which is good and bad.
Mostly on the bad side.
I do have some good news on Stitch Fix, though.
Uh-huh.
All right, so... Stitch Fix reported nearly 3.9 million active clients, bro. Up 12% last year. So
4
is that
million?
like 4 million people? 4 million. 4 fucking million.
That's a lot. 4 million?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I mean...
4 fucking million people, bro.
How does... I mean... Where do they... Okay, but their earnings were disastrous, right?
I like the idea.
It's an okay idea.
No. So, all right. So it says Stitch Fix said it expects fiscal year revenue of $2.2 billion to $2.5 billion. So they made money, but it was lower than the year before that. Oh no, they lost money. They lost money.
Okay,
I take that back. So yeah, it wasn't that good. But they said they blame the sales on delivery issues, which could be the reason why they didn't do so well.
Okay.
But 4 million fucking active clients.
Yeah, that's a lot. There were a lot of delivery issues, they were a secondary effect of COVID. Jesus Christ, the amount of people that just like did not get shit sent in the mail.
Oh, dude, I can only fucking imagine.
Yeah.
Last retail news I got is Dick's Sporting Goods, DKS.
They couldn't get Dick?
They had earnings yesterday, and they did higher than what they were supposed to do, down today.
Yeah.
So they profited, stock went down.
Yep.
And then
you sell
from
earnings.
there,
You sell earnings. That's apparently what you do. Or you buy puts on earnings. It's got to be at least 70% go down after earnings. At least, and I'm telling you, if you're buying puts and they're paying 70% of the time, you do not give a fuck about the 30% that you're losing.
Nope.
Not a
So you're not.
chance.
Nope. Yeah, so let's switch to crypto, bro.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, this is not advice, but, like, the obvious play is to fuck. When has calls paid off? Calls paid off, like, 2 times for earnings. Puts every other time.
Wayfair, Etsy.
Fucking all. Activision did okay. That was a surprise earnings.
Oh,
thing.
Activision. That was a good one. We all profited off that.
Yeah, but then look at it. It was at $101, and it went all the way down to $89.
Yep.
After.
It's okay. It's whatever.
Yeah.
I just know not to trade during fucking February and March next year. It's not going to do
Just
it.
take
We're
it
going to go
off.
on vacation.
Go on vacation.
We're going to go Bro, we're going to go on a month-long vacation because I can't do this again.
Month-long vacation.
Because, dude, that roller coaster was the best times I've ever had and then the worst times I've ever had. And if I had to do it all over again, yeah, I probably would do it all over again. But next year, next February, we're going on vacation, homie. All right. SOS, bro. Your baby. This is you. You got in right when Dan was talking shit, Bear Dan.
Yeah, Bear Dan. How's it doing?
So they...
625. It's back up.
but it's still in the last place compared to all the other fucking crypto stocks. So we were comparing EBON, SOS, RIOT, and Mara this morning.
Yep.
RIOT is up 36% right now. Mara is up 29% right now. EBON is up 12 and SOS is up 13. So yeah, at least SOS is making a small pushback right now.
So EBON's actually the loser.
As of right this second, but before the show, EBON was ahead of SOS.
Let me go ahead and just reiterate the same thing that I've been saying for, like a week and a half now. Wake me up in 2 months. I don't give a fuck about what SOS is doing today, okay? People, oh my god, everybody is shitting. Stop shitting on my stop. Just stop it, okay? I'm tired of it. Frank's over here being a fucking size queen about their mining rig setup. He's like, oh, it looks like the buildings are used. They bought used rigs. Suck my peen, okay? SOS is a fucking gold mine. Again, how are you doing, Corsair bag holders? I do not want to hear it.
Oh God!
It's a
Bear
beautiful
Frank, you hear
one.
that?
I fucking love you, Frank. But so SOS is not doing great. Like, you would expect it to be a little bit. Bitcoin's doing amazing. It's at like 54K or some shit like that. It's doing very well. There's a whole crypto pump in general, so you'd think SOS would be doing a little bit better. I still go back to it, like I've said, and maybe I'm wrong on this, but Mara was nothing until they actually sold off, their first crop. Like, SOS just started mining. It's going to take a little while to build up a crop. They'll have something. They'll sell it off. They've got another 5,000. They have 10,000 rigs operational or on the way to operational. They got another 5,000 that are coming in April. And yes, they're all used. Oh no. Oh.
Yes.
How dare you? How dare you get fucking millions of dollars worth of mining equipment used? Nobody's ever done that in the history of fucking prospecting. Out of here.
Yeah. So they bought 5,000 used rigs February 9th. They bought 5,000 more rigs used February 24th, and then they have 5,645 coming on April 15th. Which is, I think I agree with you, but I don't know why I didn't look at this earlier, but do you know what fucking SOS's market cap is?
No, you've said it before.
165.8 million, and EBON is 1 billion. I know, bro. I know.
Come on! Stop it! SOS is doing so bad. It's at 620. Yeah, again, when it hits $1 billion market cap, so it's going to have to go up 7 times what it's at just to hit $1 billion. I mean, come on. Stop it.
EBON's at $1 billion right now.
Yeah, but EBON clearly has... So all SOS has to do to be like, okay, if SOS hits $1 billion valuation, then it'll be at like $40 or some shit, right? Yeah. The way to make that less attainable would be, more dilution. If they keep adding shares, then eventually it's like, the market cap can go up, could still be at like EBON probably added a fuckload of shares. You know what I mean? They probably have more shares available than SOS does, which is why they're trading at functionally identical levels, and EBON's worth, 6 times what they are. Probably because there's 6 times more shares out there right now.
So I read an article. I actually don't have the info in front of me, but I read it last night about EBON. They're going to try to be like Coinbase, bro. They're going to have their own platform, trading platform.
Everybody does that. There's so many places that do that.
Yeah. We'll compare it to SOS, which is more of like a cloud service company.
Yeah, and they're like insurance too. They're doing
which I.
Good.
Actually, I did my due diligence this morning and just went fucking hard, just reading everything I could about SOS. And 2 different companies, but I don't know which one I like more. But I would definitely go SOS because it has a smaller market cap, and when it does fucking pop, we're gonna be super fucking happy.
Agreed.
What else? I think I have one more.
Frank, I just want to address some Frank things in the comments here. He says, talk to me in 3 months on Corsair. I'm right with you, buddy. I know. I mean, that's where I'm at. It's just like, this is why I don't actually shit on Corsair. I'm bag holding Corsair too, but it's like, yeah, wake me up in a couple months back when this thing's high as shit. I say the same shit with SOS. And then he says, SOS looks like Aerotine International. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Aero. Is that some sort of like pump and dump? It's got to be some shit because I don't see anything on StockTwits.
You should have just bought IZEA, bro.
TradingView? What?
You should have just bought IZEA.
Why should I have bought IZEA?
I was trying to make it funny. I was trying to make a joke.
Oh.
You didn't like that joke. You didn't like it.
I didn't get it that it was a joke.
Well, I was like, because I'm always saying IZEA, and you always say I create bag holders. So I thought of all people that would get the joke would be you, but fucker. All right, hold on. Let me go back to my crypto news real quick. Okay. So I got some more news on Coinbase.
All right, the IPO.
Yep. So Coinbase Global shares changed hands at roughly $90 billion value last week in what could be the final chance for investors to trade its public stock before the private stock before the cryptocurrency exchange goes public. Some of the shares that were traded last week were at $375 and would put the value of the company at $100 billion.
That's so much.
$100 billion.
Yeah, man. Coinbase is. I mean, like, it's a powerhouse for sure. It's basically the Robin Hood of crypto. It's like simplified, super fucking easy. People are getting hosed left, right, and center. I mean, you can't even like sell limit orders on it. It's just like you're selling crypto at market orders, which is fucking crazy. But yeah, I mean, like. The shit that happens when an altcoin gets listed on Coinbase, it's good for at least a 30% bump. Like, Coinbase is a big deal.
Did you know that you could trade before they can go public, though?
No.
So the NASDAQ private market is a division of NASDAQ devoted to trading shares in companies before they go public.
How do you get in on that?
I have no idea. Clearly, I can't be a part of it. I just found out this morning when I was reading up on Coinbase. I'm like, what the fuck? The NASDAQ private market?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? It was trading at 300.
The toots. That's how that's how Coinbase doubles user base in 2 years. That just sounds like the toots. It's like this is where the big boys get to play around before shit goes public. That's why you'll see it's like. Shares were trading for $375, and then it'll get listed, and it'll be fucking $580 or some dumb shit, and people will be like, "What happened here?"
Oh yeah, what do you think it's even going to debut at?
Well, honestly, when's the IPO?
The IPO it should be out by the end of this quarter, but I don't have the ticker or anything yet. It's not public yet.
Wow. Well, I mean,
so I don't even know how this private market works because they clearly didn't put a ticker on the article. So.
Yeah.
Is that crazy?
Well, I mean, you're saying shares are trading at like $375 each. I thought it was like in expectation of being released, next week or some shit. But I don't know. That's a lot of time. Could go up, could go down.
Oh, bro, it's definitely going to be above that. It has to. In this day's market, when DoorDash is debuting at $80 and goes up to $160.
Yeah, you're right. I know. I didn't want to say it, but I think the exact same thing. It's probably just gonna. That's what I said. It'll probably like debut at fucking $500 on the retail market.
Wow. Oh, that'd be crazy. I don't think it's ever happened.
That would be pretty wild. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting one to see for sure. I'm also really
Nah.
interested in Roblox, which we talked about yesterday, but it'll be fun to see what that pops at.
Tomorrow, yeah, we're going to talk about that tomorrow because it drops tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, baby.
Nice.
Last bit of information. It's going kind of with this cloud service, Dropbox, DBX. You want to bring that up real quick? Up 3% this morning. Actually, not sure what it is right now. That was when I was writing this. So they plan to acquire DocSend, a document sharing platform for $165 million cash.
Nice.
Yep. So
For
I do have an eye on
165 million Bitcoin.
150
Be
probably
ridiculous.
probably what's going to happen, to be completely fucking honest. I like Dropbox. Do you like Dropbox, though?
Nope.
Okay, never mind.
It's obnoxious. I mean, like, as a company, it's super obnoxious. First of all, it's useless. Google Drive is significantly better, and it's, like, easier to use. And then Dropbox, for probably 5 years now, has been sending me notifications like, your account's going to expire if you don't reset your password. It's like, I don't even know the password. I haven't used this shit in 5 years. I don't just expire my account. And then they're like, never mind, we'll keep you active. I was like, I don't fucking want you to.
All right, what else you got in your watch list? Anything you want to go over?
Still watching Coca-Cola, which, look at that beautiful Head and Shoulders. Just, wow, look at that go. I did get rid of my calls, actually quite towards the high, so that's nice. Made a couple bucks, nothing crazy. Yeah. But wow, look at that. What a hump, huh?
Yeah, you're right. That's going to climb right back up past 60. So it's going to go, oh, yeah. Good for you. I'm not going to get into Coke right now, though.
You should never get into Coke. It's bad for your...
A cola.
Oh.
Oh,
then,
God, I'm so fucking...
Did you buy Apple calls from
No, I didn't. No. Did you?
Nope.
Nope. Yeah, we were watching on Trading Fraternity, or I was watching on Trading Fraternity, that they bought some Apple shares that expired, calls that expired this Friday. 123 to be exact.
Yeah.
I think they were 75 cents a piece. Hey, if you made money, good for you. When I see Apple, I see the exact same price when it's split, and I'm like, this never moves. Why would I even want to put my money into it? Too big. Too big.
Yeah. Well, it was really down. 116 is pretty fucking wild. And then, man, if you had bought Apple yesterday, you're feeling good right now. Nice recovery there.
So we got CCIV up 8.5%. It's still fucking hovering around $24. It's at $23.98. Every other American EV company is at around $20. NIO was up 15%, though. How do you feel about NIO?
What do you mean when you ask that question?
Like, do you think it's a legitimate company? Is it the legit number 2 of China, the number 1 of China for EV calls? Xpeng NIO.
I don't know. I mean, NIO's definitely. It seems to be a pretty big deal. I've seen their, at least the concepts for their cars, or the car they unveiled on NIO Day. I thought it looked pretty dope. Are people driving around in these things?
I think so.
Well, that's all the work. I mean, look at, you got Fisker that's beginning production in 2022. You have Lucid, who is not producing anything currently, right?
I should know the question to that.
Yeah, they don't have a vehicle. They've not made a single vehicle yet, because that was kind of one of the big things about it that even Ben was saying. It's just it was the fourth highest valued car company, and they'd never produced a vehicle or something silly like that, you know. So I think a lot of the problem that with some of these EV stocks is just I don't know, do you have vehicles that people driving in? That's going to make a big difference, you know. NIO, if people are driving around in NIOs, then yeah, I think you'll start seeing it actually going up in earnest. But if they're another one that is just we're not even producing until 2022, well, fuck off. We'll see you then.
Yeah. So going through my watch list, remember when Bumble IPO'd? Man, it went all the way up for a high of $84, and now it's at $63. If it can break the resistance of 64, I think it might start to be into a buy. But yeah, I don't see anything they're telling me that it's going to go up yet, because this could be like a little false bull run and drop right back down to fucking like 55.
Yeah, it's had an unfortunate run since it IPO'd. At least it did go up a little bit yesterday in observance of International Women's Day. You know, Bumble is the one the ladies have to message you first, correct?
Yes.
Yep, so I appreciate that. Too bad it couldn't have went on like a $15 run. You've all disappointed us, but yeah. So it looks, I don't know, Bumble looks like it's $63 stock. That's what at least it's trying for.
Bro, you know what disappointed me today?
What?
JAGX.
Oh, why did it just
JAGX. It is down 2.76%. It's just been down for so long.
It has, yeah. Yeah, it's the worst.
JAGX. We talk about it all the time. Plant-based pill could be the first FDA plant for diarrhea.
Is the first. Not could be. It's already, it exists and it
is the first.
Yeah.
Gamble, GMBL is up 15%. IDEX is up 13%.
Oh, I haven't even looked at IDEX.
I think
Gamble's looking good. It's got like
very close.
Gamble's like coiling right now, actually.
I'm missing out because I want to invest into one of the sport gambling. I just don't know which stock to fucking pick because they all partnered with somebody, and I think just DraftKings is a little too much out of my price range right now.
Wow, IDEX.
Even though DraftKings is up
like
4%.
5, wasn't it?
IDEX had, I think it was higher than 5. Okay, what was it? Yeah, it was 550.
550.
But they're still keep an eye out on IDEX. What they do is like they'll take your company and then they'll fucking try to help it turn electric. So they'll buy like 10-15% of your stake of your company and then make your company electric. And they did it with tractors a couple months ago.
Yeah.
Which no one else is doing that.
Nobody's doing EV tractors.
What else do I got? Etsy's up 10% today. Dash is up 10% today. And SLGG is up 11.5% today. Do you have anything else for the show, Bob?
I do not.
Cool. It was a good show today.
Indeed it was.
All right. So let me know when you're done tonight, and then I can meet up with you.
Yeah, I will. Okay. All right.
You're going to make me fucking yawn. All right, get the fuck out of here. All right, I'll see you everybody else on the trading floor. If you guys aren't part of it, the link is below. Come join our Discord for free. It's a bunch of stoners that are growing and making money together. We'll see you guys soon.
Peace.
Play that music, Brian.
I'm glad you like me correcting Dave. Everybody loves that shit.
Oh, dude, everybody loves it when you shit on me. They said it's very entertaining.
Yeah.
Timmy!
You got the sound over there? All right, cool.
Maybe.
Boom. 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 There it is.
We should have a new YouTube thumbnail this week, too.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and